Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to online English class for grade 2 portion of unit number 1, the little plant, grammar portion, nouns. Now today we will explain common noun. There are two types of nouns, common noun and proper noun. But before started it, we will find what is noun. Noun, have you seen on the page number 3, there is a line. Now I will read, listen it very carefully and look at the book. Word that names persons, things, animals or places are called naming words are noun. Are explained on page number 3. Person means boy, teacher, mother. Number 2, things, car, milk, banana. Number 4, animals, lion, eagle, parrot. Number 4 is places, bedroom, towns, playground. All the above words are common noun. They are the name of persons, things, animals or places of the same kind. They begin with a small letter. Now come on, see number 1. Choose word from the box and write them on page number 4 under the correct heading. On page number 4, you have 4 columns. Person, mean इंसान, thing, चीज़ें, animal, जानवर, place, जगह. Now come on the page number 3. I will read and you will think about it. Place is right for the word. Sandwich. Sandwich we eat. Number 2 word is toothbrush. Before going to bed, you use it. Brother. Number 4, school. In the second column, tiger. Shopkeeper. Forest. A lion lives in a forest. Fish. Uncle. Street. I play in the street. Hen. Comb. You comb your hair. Aeroplane. Friend. Butterfly. Zoo. Now you can see on the page I have write the answer in their proper places. You can tally it and write on your book. The next question is C2. I will read the question. Underline the common nouns in the following sentences. Now look at all the statements and find the common nouns. Common nouns means write the names with the small letters. Number 1 is the peacock is dancing in the field. There are 2 common nouns. Underline it. Number 2, my grandmother tells us a story every evening. There is again 2 nouns, common nouns. Or a bee makes honey. There is again 2 common nouns. Underline it on your book. Number 4, her uncle is a doctor. There is again 2 common nouns is number 4. Now number 5, the bus is standing at the corner of the street. In this line again 2 common nouns. Underline it. Number 6, our house has 5 rooms, 10 windows and 6 doors. Now in number 6 there are 4 common nouns. Underline it. Now look at the answer on the next page.